Hello everyone, I'm Julia, and today I would like to explain to you guys how you can memorize the trig identities really quickly and really easily. So before I get into it, I would like to write the reciprocals of the trig functions here because we'll need them later. So the reciprocal of the sine x is cosecant x. The reciprocal of the cosine x is secant x, and the reciprocal of the tangent x is cotangent x. So now the first part of how I memorize the trig identities is by writing the sine x and the cosine x right next to each other. But we still want to leave some space like in the middle. So sine x here and the cosine x next to it. And then I write the tangent x kind of like near the sine x. So tangent x can go over here. And then I write the one in a circle in the middle. And then what I do is write the reciprocal of each of these three functions like across from it. So for the tangent x, the reciprocal is cotangent x, and the reciprocal of the cosine x is the secant x. And by the way, if you don't know the reciprocals, then you can just look over here. And the reciprocal of the sine x is the cosecant x. In the next part, we're going to be making like three different triangles. So here's one, here's the second one, and here is the third one. And now you're probably wondering, how can we use this to find the identities? Well, here I'll draw an example. So if we have a triangle here with A, B, and C, A squared plus B squared will always be equal to C squared. So it always has to be in this form. And so like in this triangle, the sine x is A, the cosine x is B, and the 1 is C. So if I write it down, we would have sine x squared, since the A is being squared, plus cosine x squared, since the B is being squared, equals 1 squared, since the C is being squared. Now it's the same for the other two triangles. So the tangent x is A, the 1 is B, and the secant x is C in this triangle. So if I write it down, it would look like this. The tangent x squared plus 1 squared equals secant x squared. So secant x squared. And for the last triangle here, we would have 1 squared plus cotangent squared equals the cosecant squared. So cosecant x squared here. And now we already found the three trig identities. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Goodbye.